Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a statistics project we did that combines golf and data. We wanted to find an answer to a simple question. Are golfers actually good at predicting how far they hit the golf ball?
To find out, we collected data from two groups, golfers under 40 and golfers over 40. Each person estimated how far they hit the ball, then we recorded the actual distance.
To analyze how accurately each golfer was, we used a paired t-test for both age groups. This type of test is perfect when you're comparing two related measurements from the same person, in our case, predicted versus the actual distances.
The null hypothesis for each test was that there's no difference between the predicted and actual distances. The alternative hypothesis was that there is a difference, meaning the golfers might not be as accurate as they think they are.
So let's talk about the results. For the under 40 group, the p-value was 0.032. Since this is less than our significance level of 0.05, we rejected the null hypothesis. That means there is a significant difference between what younger golfers think they hit and what they actually hit.
Now for the over 40 group, the p-value was 0.78, which is way above 0.05. That means we failed to reject the null hypothesis. So older golfers are, statistically speaking, pretty accurate in predicting their shot distances.
Interesting, right? The younger players are more confident, but not as accurate. To take it a step further, we wanted to see if there's a real difference between age groups and how accurately they predict their shots.
We used a two-sample t-test to compare the average prediction error of the under 40 group to the over 40 group. This test checks if the mean difference between the two groups is significant.
The p-value from that test was 0.045, which is less than 0.05, so we rejected the null hypothesis. This tells us that yes, there is a significant difference between how younger and older golfers predict their shots.
So what does this all mean?
Younger golfers are more likely to misjudge their distances, while older golfers are generally more accurate. Whether that's experience, realism, or just better judgment, the stats back it up.
Thanks for watching.
This type of test is perfect when to analyze
Predicted and actual differences.
Hypothesis. That means
Alright.
So let's talk about the results. Stop. Stop.
We wanted to see if there's a real difference between age groups and how. Stop moving, guys. We wanted to see if there's a difference. Me.
The p-value from that test was 0.045, which is less than 0.05. So we rejected the a statistically significant difference between Yes, there is a significant